Camping can be a great way to get back to nature and have some fun, but it can also be uncomfortable if you're not prepared. One of the best ways to ensure you have a good night's sleep while camping is to bring an air mattress. Air mattresses are light and portable, making them a great option for camping trips. This is why we've put together a list of the best air mattresses for camping in 2023. From ones with built-in pillows to those with double-locked valves, there is one out there to suit your needs. We will also include what you need to look for in order to choose the best air mattress for you and other commonly asked questions. Number 1. Sound Asleep Air Mattress for Camping. The Sound Asleep Dream Air Mattress wins the top spot due to its patented one-click internal pump, which makes inflation and deflation quick and easy, taking only 4 minutes for full inflation so you can stay sound asleep. The brand also offers a customer-friendly 1-year warranty as standard on all Sound Asleep mattresses. It utilizes Comfort Coil technology with a sure grip bottom to provide stability and prevent slipping and sliding. The mattress also features a premium double-height raised air bed with dual-chamber construction, which fits 2 people comfortably or 1 person like a king. An extra thick and waterproof flock top provides comfort, while the multi-layer, puncture-resistant eco-friendly PVC makes it extra durable. With an industry-leading design and an efficient inflation/deflation experience, this mattress is perfect for anyone looking for an exceptional night's rest. Number 2. Intex Air Mattress for Camping. The Intex DuraBeam 18-inch queen-sized air mattress provides a plush headboard to keep your pillows in place, while a built-in electric pump makes setup and takedown an efficient process. The enhanced fiber-tech interior ensures added comfort, while the flock sides resist punctures for long-lasting use. Plus, its carrying case makes for efficient, safe storage and simple portability from place to place. This airbed is especially useful when it comes to traveling or camping. This mattress is designed to accommodate up to 600 pounds. So it's good for multiple people. His comfy portable bed features a built-in electronic pump that easily inflates and deflates your bed for a super convenient setup and takedown process. When it comes to air mattresses, you don't need to compromise your comfort. Number 3. King Coil Air Mattress for Camping. The King Coil Luxury Twin Air Mattress is a versatile and comfortable choice for both at-home use and camping trips. The mattress comes with a 1-year warranty from the manufacturer and features a soft flocking layer, a built-in pillow, an extra thick waterproof comfort quilt top, and extra spinal support that gives users an even and supportive sleep surface. It also has coil beam construction and a high-speed pump. The mattress is made to last, with a puncture-proof design that includes patch kits for any accidents. It comes in several other sizes as well. This mattress is great for anyone wanting some restful sleep and relaxation. Easy-to-use plug-in internal pump allows fast and easy inflation, deflation. The King Coil mattress reaches full inflation in 90 seconds. The King Coil Air Mattress is designed for in-home use and is perfect for overnight guests, friends or relatives, and camping trips. Number 4. Plex Air Mattress for Camping. The Plex Camping Air Mattress features an electric air pump that's an ideal solution for your camping trips. With durable PVC material and welded seams, this air mattress is designed to withstand even the roughest conditions. This camping air mattress is also a great choice for kids. Its air support means comfortable sleeping positions. It's also great as an extra guest bed, conveniently portable with its carrying bag included. Whether you're looking for extra support on your outdoor adventures or need an extra guest bed for visitors, this air mattress has you covered. Anything can happen while you camp, that's why we crafted this inflatable mattress with durable PVC material and welded seams that won't break, even in the roughest nature spots. Number 5. Coleman Air Mattress for Camping. The Coleman QuickBed Airbed is an ideal solution for anyone looking for a comfortable and convenient sleeping solution. This full-sized airbed offers an approximate inflated size of 73 inches by 53 inches by 8 inches, making it suitable for standard full-size sheets. It also boasts an airtight system that has been factory tested to be leak-free, so you can rest assured that the air pressure will remain stable throughout the night. In terms of comfort, this airbed uses strong coil construction to provide better support, which helps deliver superior comfort. The double lock valve ensures leak-free performance, while the soft plush top creates a velvet-like sleeping surface for extra luxury. Furthermore, this airbed's antimicrobial surface prevents odors, mold, mildew, and fungus from forming on its surface.